Hey friends, who's hungry? Moist and tender pineapple carrot sheet cake is flavored with the perfect blend of warm spices and topped with a creamy homemade cream cheese icing. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Cream 1.5 cups of softened unsalted butter. Gradually add 1 3/4 cups of firmly packed light brown sugar and continue to beat until the mixture is fluffy. Add 4 eggs, one at a time, and beat after each addition. Then stir in 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. In a separate bowl, combine 2 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 2.5 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 3/4 teaspoon of ground nutmeg, and 3/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Add half of the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients and mix until incorporated. Repeat with the remaining half. Stir in 2 cups of shredded carrots and 1 8-ounce can of drained crushed pineapple. Pour the batter into a greased 9 by 13 by 2 inch cake pan or Pyrex dish. Bake for 30 minutes until a toothpick inserted near the center of the cake comes out clean. Allow the cake to cool completely before icing. Speaking of icing, combine 1 8-ounce package of softened cream cheese and 1 cup of softened butter on medium speed using an electric mixer until smooth. Reduce the mixer speed to low. Add 1 cup of sifted powdered sugar to the cream cheese mixture. Once the powdered sugar is combined, add another cup of powdered sugar. Continue to beat until the mixture is smooth and creamy. Stir in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Spread or pipe the cream cheese icing over the cooled cake. Looking for more recipes? Watch my next video and be sure to subscribe to my channel.